Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Tech Conversations. Firstly, if you haven't already, make sure to check out Webull. Right now, if you sign up to Webull by using my link in the description below, you can earn a 2% match bonus when you deposit or transfer into Webull. So let me show you some examples of how much you could potentially earn here. So let's say you fund your account with $10,000, you could get a $200 cash bonus. If you fund your account with $25,000, you could receive a $500 cash bonus. Or for example, if you fund your account with $100,000, you could receive a $2,000 cash bonus. That's free money for you when you sign up to Webull and you fund your account. So go ahead and check out Webull. I'll put a link to them in the description below. Also, make sure to check out the Discord, completely free to join. I'll put a link to it in the description below as well. We're at over 8,000 members in here, so thank you to everyone that's joined our Discord. Now let's get right into today's video. So today I want to talk about how to paper trade any options trade, especially the more advanced option strategies like iron condors, butterfly spreads, calendar spreads, basically any option strategy that you can pretty much think of. And remember, paper trading, which is also known as simulated or demo trading, allows traders to test strategies using historical or real-time data without risking real capital, without risking actual money. So it provides a safe environment to refine algorithms, explore new ideas, and gain confidence in market mechanics, because on this channel we talk about a lot of different options trading strategies, and you don't want to just blindly implement these strategies without first making sure you truly have a grasp on all the fundamentals and how the strategy truly works. So that's why today I am going to show you how and where you can paper trade practically any option strategy. So firstly, we are going to switch over to a tool that I use very often, which is called OptionStrat. So I'll put a link to OptionStrat in the description below. OptionStrat is an online tool and app that helps options traders analyze and visualize option strategies. It also has some other key features like an unusual options flow tool that highlights large and unusual trades made by institutions and other features. But today we want to talk about paper trading option strategies. So remember, here we can go under this build section. And here you can see all the pre-built strategies that they currently offer. And remember, you can also modify all of these to implement basically any custom strategy. But let's say here you were interested in implementing a call ratio back spread. So if you take a look here under the advanced section and under this ratio spread section, there's this call ratio back spread option here. So let's go ahead and click on it here. So a call ratio back spread is when you buy two calls and then you sell one call. The call you sell has a lower strike, and if you implement it for a credit, you can make money both ways. That's what a call ratio back spread is. So here in this part of OptionStrat, we can visualize the trade. We can select the stock that we want to implement the strategy on right here. So I'm just going to leave it as SoFi Technologies for today. So let's say that's the stock we want to implement the strategy on. We can select the expiration date here. So let's just say we go to November 21st for our expiration. That's the expiration date we want. So we can select that here. We can also select the strike prices here. Let's say I want to do I want to buy the calls at the $31 strike and sell the call at the $28 strike. So we can modify our strike prices here. And then we can see all the trade details here. Like, are we entering for a debit or a credit and how much? What our max loss is, what our max profit is. If you have the premium version of OptionStrat, what our chance of profit is. We have our break evens. And then of course we have our P&L chart here. We can also play around with implied volatility here and many other things. So that's how you use this tool right here. But now we get back to what we want to focus on here today, What if you have never traded this strategy before? So it's pretty neat that we can visualize here kind of how this trade would play out. But wouldn't it be nice to first try it out a few times and actually keep track of how it actually does before we implement the real strategy with real money, just to make sure that we truly understand what we're doing and how the strategy may behave under different circumstances. Well, the great part about option strat is that we can actually do that right here as well. So once you've kind of looked at the trade you're interested in taking and you've visualized it, now we want to go one step further and actually paper trade it, right? Before we actually trade it for the first time, we want to make sure we understand what we're actually doing. So we may want to paper trade it. And so what we can do here is, let's say that we're ready with our strategy. We want to paper trade it. We want to test it out and see how it performs. All we need to do is click on Save Trade here at the top. So if I click on Save Trade here, notice what this says. Save and share this trade. So there's two fields, or there's actually three fields here. First one is trade name, right? So you could literally modify the name here to whatever you want. Maybe you're trying to find a strategy for if the stock market crashes, right? We could say, stock market crash trade. Maybe we're trying to test this out to see what happens. In the description here, you can also add notes. You can add any note that you want so that you don't forget things later on. And then we can go ahead and save the trade here. And so as you can see, it's going to tell me here, save and share this trade. So your trade was saved successfully. You can share a link to it with others. So that's actually pretty neat as well. You can copy this link and you can share it with your friends, with your family, so that they can also track your trades. And so let's go ahead and let's close out of this here. So let's say you close out of this. So now what do we do? How can I keep track of this? Where do I see it? So what we can do now is here at the top right under this My Account section, notice that there's this Save Trades link. So if we click on this Saved Trades link, take a look here. When I come in here, we have that trade that we literally just saved. Stock market crash trade. So that's why you want to make sure that when you name it, you give it a very specific name. Because, if you're paper trading dozens of different strategies and trades, this is going to fill up here pretty quickly. So give it a descriptive name here. And it tells us here what stock we're using, SoFi. So here, right, we can track our total return. We can track today's return. We can track when we created this, right? So in other words, like when you entered it, you can think of. You can also take a look at days until expiration. And you can even get more detailed here. So notice this little wheel icon here next to your name of the trade here. You can go ahead and click on that. So take a look here, description. So this is where I told you, right? If you want to add any notes or anything that you don't want to forget, you can add them and then you can see them right here. You can see what this position was. So what did you do? You bought 2 calls, you sold 1 call, you have your strikes, the type here, expiration date. And again, we get total return, today's return, net credit or net debit, current value, high and low. And then notice this section here that says not enough data to create a graph yet. So this is what this would actually look like, which is pretty cool here. So if you take a look, this is what it would look like once time has passed and there's actually some movement going on here. So notice you can see kind of this little graph here in the middle. So premium members will also see a graph of the strategy performance so far, as well as the max profit and loss that has been reached. So basically with this little graph here, you can kind of see at what, you can keep track of how it's performed over the whole period of time, not just in that specific date or not just at the end. You can track kind of throughout the whole duration how it performed there. So that's pretty cool right there. And then if we take a look here, you can view or edit the trade, you can close the trade, you can share your trade, or you can delete the trade here as well. Now what's pretty cool as well is that we can also go ahead and click on this link itself. So basically what you named it, that's a link. And if you click on that link, it takes you to, again, the main page for visualizing the trade. And everything gets pre-filled to what it originally was. So, pre-filled it to the stock I was using, to the expiration date I selected, the strike prices I selected. So it's a quick way to get back to this main page where you visualize your trade here. So as you can see, this is a very powerful tool. Not only now can you visualize your trade, but you can also keep track of it. You can paper trade it so that you don't have to go in blindly. If it's your first time trading options or it's your first time implementing a specific strategy, you can go ahead and paper trade it, keep track of it over time, and hopefully over time you improve, you get better, and then finally you can enter it with real money and hopefully make a real profit. So anyways, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Check out the Discord, a link to that in the description below. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys next time.